Hello and welcome to our finance channel, where we bring you the latest news and tips on how to manage your money and achieve financial freedom. Today's video is all about budgeting, an essential tool for anyone who wants to take control of their finances and build a better financial future. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for your money that takes into account your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can ensure that you are not overspending and that you are saving enough to achieve your financial goals. The first step in creating a budget is to track your expenses. This means keeping track of all the money you spend, from rent and utilities to groceries and entertainment. There are many tools available to help you track your expenses, such as budgeting apps and spreadsheets. Once you have a clear picture of your expenses, you can start to create a budget. Begin by allocating your income to different categories, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Be sure to set aside some money for savings and emergencies as well. One of the keys to successful budgeting is to be realistic about your expenses. If you know that you spend a certain amount of money on dining out each month, for example, be sure to include that in your budget. This will help you avoid overspending and ensure that you are able to stick to your financial plan. Another important aspect of budgeting is to review your budget regularly. This will allow you to make adjustments as needed and ensure that you are on track to achieve your financial goals. In addition to budgeting, there are many other financial strategies that can help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. These include investing in stocks and other assets, paying off debt, and building an emergency fund. No matter where you are in your financial journey, there are always steps you can take to improve your financial situation. By creating a budget and implementing smart financial strategies, you can take control of your finances and build a better future for yourself and your family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on managing your money and achieving financial freedom.